Good afternoon, children. Now I start with the next exercise concept. The tangents. That means what? Tangent means what? You know, tangent to the circle. The circle. One point is there. A circle is a straight line. Straight line. Touch the circle at one point. This is a point. X1, y1 or x1, y1. A line touch the circle is called tangent. That is the meaning. A line touch the circle at only one point. Now, equation of the tangent to the circle is what? X square plus y square. 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 at x1, y1 is what is the formula? The x square becomes xx1, y square becomes y1, 2gx becomes g into x plus x1 by 2. That means what? Here, note, this is a concept, tangent concept. Tangent, what does it mean? The x square becomes xx1, y square becomes y1. Then x becomes x plus x1 by 2. The y becomes y plus y1 by 2. This is a tangent equation formula method. Now substitute here 2gx, 2g into x is what? X plus x1 by 2. 2 to cancel, we get the answer. 2fy. The y can as y plus y1 by 2. 2 to cancel. F into y plus y1 plus this equal to. Now in the equation, x square involved mean replace x square by xx1. Y square becomes y1. X become x plus x1 by 2. Y become y plus y1 by 2. This is the concept of tangent equation to a circle at x1, y1. Very important concept. 2 mark, 3 mark concept only. Next one, length of the tangent. Length of distance. Length of tangent to the circle from the point. The point represents P. T per tangent. But PT equal to square root of. In the circle, substitute the point. You replace x by x1 up x1 square. Y by y1, y1 square. 2gx becomes 2x, so gx1. 2fy1 plus. Inside the square root, just substitute the point, that's all. Now, PT rod root of something. Now, PT square rod without square root. I'm going to square on both sides. PT square equal to without square root. Now, small note, if it is PT square is 0 means the point lies on the circle. The PT square is more than 0, that is positive value will come in. The point P lies outside the circle. The PT square less than 0 means negative will come in. Then the point lies inside the circle. This is also tangent formula. Length of the tangent formula. You have to find PT square, find PT. After PT square, if it is PT square is negative will come in, lies inside the circle. Positive means lies outside the circle. If it is 0 means lies on the circle. You got concept. One more concept. The condition for the line y equal to mx plus c, one straight line, is tangent to a circle. X square plus y square is one circle. What is the condition for the line? Tan to the circle. What is the formula? C square equal to a square and 1 plus m square. By using this formula, 2 problems are there. Very important. 2 mark or 3 mark question. Very important. Now this is a tangent idea. X square becomes xx1. Y square becomes y1. X becomes x plus x1 by 2. Y becomes y plus y1 by 2. This is the concept. Only by using this concept only. Next exercise. Now listen here, exercise 3.5, question number, exercise 3.5, question number 1, find the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0 at minus 2, 2. This is the question. Okay? Now start with the formula, equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0 at here minus 2, minus 2 is what I told you? X square becomes xx1, y square becomes y1 minus 4 into this x becomes x plus x1 by 2 plus 4 into the y becomes y plus y1 by 2 minus 8 equal to 0. This is the actual formula. Am I right? Now you cancel one time, two times, one time, two times. Of x into this is called x1 y1. This point is x1 comma 1 minus 2 plus y into minus 2 into x minus 2. Am I right? Plus 2 into y minus 2 minus 8 equal to 0. Am I right? Replace x1 by minus 2, y1 by also minus 2. This is the formula. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the equation. What is the formula? What I told you? Tangent equation at particular point. That means what? X1, the x square becomes x1, y square becomes y1. The x becomes x plus x1 by 2. Y becomes y plus y1 by 2. This is the formula. Constant, no change. Now simplify. Now replace x1 by minus 2, y1 by minus 2. Now simplify. Minus 2x, minus 2y, again minus 2x, plus 4, 2y, again plus 4, minus 8 equal to. Am I right? Now adding both, minus 4x. This will cancel. Am I right? Minus y plus y cancel. Next, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Up to x equal to 0 starts. Am I right? Minus 4x is equal to 0 mean. Am I right? What is the answer? Here actually, here 2y, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Am I right? This will be cancelled. What is the remaining time? Here minus 8 is there, equal to 0. Here minus 4x minus 8 is 0, no? Divided by minus 4. What is the answer? X plus 2 divided by 4, no? Divided by minus 4. This is the answer. You want to write the equation involving x, y, constant equal to 0. But in y, by chance cancel. Remaining term, x plus 2 is the answer. Anyway, tangent, length of the tangent, some other idea. This is called equation of the tangent. What is the method? Replace x squared by becomes x1. This is very important. Y squared becomes y1. X becomes x plus x1 by 2. Y becomes y plus y1 by 2. After every point you know, let it be x1 comma y1. Substitute the point there. Simplify, we get the answer. That's all. Listen here, second question. Determine whether the following points P, Q, R lies outside the circle, on the circle, or inside circle. This is circle equation. Length of the you must find the length. That's why the formula for this. Length of the tangent DCT represent tangent to the circle, standard circle equal to 0 from the point x1, y1. What is the formula? PT root of substitute the point in the circle. This is the formula. Now, first point is what? At P of 1, 0. That means what? What I told you? PT equal to this one. The PT square is what? PT square means without square root. This is circle, no? This is circle, here circle. Mind it. This is circle. Replace x by 1, y by 0. With 1 square, 0 square. Minus 4 into 1, minus 6 into 0, plus 9. Am I right? 1 plus 0 minus 4, 0 plus 9. 6, you know, this is positive. Therefore, the point, which point? Point P, 1, 0, P, lies outside the circle. Lies outside the circle. First answer over. In this way, what is next point? At Q of 2, 1. That means what? QT equal to QT square. Because next point, no? QT square equal to substitute of this point in the given circle. 2 square. Next plus 1 square. Minus 4 into 2. Minus 6 into 1. Plus 9. 4 plus 1 minus 8 minus 6 plus 9. 10, 14 is positive, here also 14, 0. Therefore, the point Q is what? 2, 1 lies on the circle. On the circle. If it is positive, means critical lies outside. Equal to means on the circle. Negative means inside circle. The third one. At what is the third point? R of 2, 3. Again, RT square equal to the same circle only. 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 into 2, 6 into 3 plus 9. 4 plus 9 minus 8 minus 18 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18, 22. Minus 26. Minus 4. This is less than 0. Therefore, the point Q lies inside the circle. 3 points are given. Check, verify whether the points are lies on the circle, outside circle, inside circle. Here by chance, first point positive lies outside circle. Next point equal to 0 lies on the circle. Third point negative will come the side lies inside circle. Outside, on the circle, inside circle. This is important idea. First write the formula clearly. Next that write the answer. That's all. So PT equal root of something. But we want square, that's without square root. Consider the point, substitute the point in the given circle. That's important. Read the question clearly. That's all. This question might be 5 mark question. Certain 3 mark question also will come. Any the important concept. In exam also the same type of question is there. Third question, find the length of the tangent from 1, 2 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. First say the formula. What is the formula? Length of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 from the point x1, y1 is, what is the formula? Pt equal to root of x1 square, y1 square, 2gx1, 2fy1 plus c equal to c. Circle, up to the point, inside the square root. That's the formula. Now what is the saying? Therefore, length of the tangent from 1, 2 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0 is Pt equal to inside square root with x1, y1 now. Replace here. X is 1 square, 2 square, 2 into 1, 4 into 2 plus 9. Simplify 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 9. This one negative. 5, 13, 13, 22. The root of 20 can be as 4 into 5. Am I right? 4 into 5. Root of 20 is what? 4 into 5. Root of 4 is what? 2 into root 5 units. That's right. Write the formula, then substitute the value. That's all. Inside the square root, substitute the point. That is called length of the tangent. Sometimes equation tangent asking me some other area. X square becomes xx1, y square becomes y, that area. That's why read the question clearly. This question, that's all. Fourth question. This is important 3 mark or 5 mark. Find the value of P. If the straight line 1 line is given, tangent to circle is given. One formula I want to know. What is the formula? Condition for the line y equal to mx plus c is tangent to the circle is c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square is the formula. That means what? From the straight line, you got to find the value of m and c because the equation is of the form y equal to mx plus c, no? That's why this equation also you want to write in terms of y equal to mx plus c. From the equation, you will guess the value of m and c. So for the circle is what? X square plus y square equal to a square. There. Here 16 is there. From this equation, you got to find the value of a square. Now write the formula for this one. C square equal to a square plus into 1 plus m square. Substitute the c value, a value, m value. After simplification, we get the value for p. That's all. Very simple concept. Only you must know the formula. Now, what is given line? The given line is Given the line is 3x plus 4y minus equal to this equation you want to write in terms of y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. That's why this comes as 4y. This one comes as minus 3x plus b divided by 4. Y equal to minus 3 by 4x is b by 4. Am I right? Now it is of the form. It is of the form y equal to mx plus c. Now comparing y mx minus 3 by 4x by m equal to minus 3 by 4. Come on. Last one is c, get b by 4. Am I right? This is very important. Now the given circle is what? X square plus y square equals 16. Now it is of the form x square plus y square equal to a square. That is the circle equation formula. Now comparing a square equals 16. This is m. This is c. Then a square. Now write the formula. Condition for tangency. That is answer. Condition for tangency. C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. C square. C is what? B by 4. That is whole square. That's important. Here b by 4 whole square. Because c is b by 4. Then a square 16. Not 16 square. A square becomes 16. Into 1 plus m square. M is what? Minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay? This is very important. C value is 3 by 4 square. M value minus 3 by 4 whole square. But a square is 16. Don't put the 16 square. That's important. Now square is one. B square by 16. 16 into here. 1 plus 9 by 16. Am I right? Now 16 is LCM. 16 plus 9. Am I right? 16 is cancelled. Again, here b square by 16 equal to 25. P square equal to 16 into 25. Am I right? We want P, no? P equal to plus or minus root of 16 into 25. Plus or minus root of 16 is 4 into root of 25 is 5. Now multiply b equal to plus or minus 20. Important question. Only by using simplification. By using small formula, then simplification we get the answer. Simple concept. Important question. You must know the formula. Write the formula. You have to find the value of m, c, a square, substitute that, you get the answer. That's all. Now all the exercises also over. In this section we have only 4 problems. Now I want to complete some of the exam problem also. Listen here. Take 3.30. The previous model of same type of question. Find the value of k so that the line 3x plus 4y minus k equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 64 equal to 0. What is given? The given line is 3x plus 4y minus k equal to 0. 4y equal to minus 3x plus k. Y equal to minus 3 by 4 into x, k by 4. It is of the form y into ms plus c. M is what? Minus 3 by 4. Constant of c is what? K by 4. Am I right? Now, the given circle is minus 64 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 64 equal to 0. Again, multiply x square plus y square equal to 64. Am I right? Now, it is of the form. It is of the form x square plus y square equal to a square. A square is what? 64. Now, condition for tangent is 6 square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. C is what? K by 4 whole square. A square 16 into 1 plus m is what? The same number minus 3 by whole square. Then k square by 16. 64 into 1 plus 9 by 16. Now 64 into 16 is LCM. Cross multiply 16 plus 9. So 1 time, 4 times. Am I right? So 4 into 25. Am I right? This is k square by 16. So k square equal to multiply both 100 into cos maybe 16 will come. Am I right? So we want k plus or minus root of 100 into 16. The root of 100 is 10. Root of 16 is what? 4. Multiply both. Plus or minus 40 is the answer. Both are same type of problem. Important question. Only by is the formula. That's all. Next question, example 3.29. This is the previous model. Some points are given. The point, verify whether this point lies on the circle or outside the circle or inside the circle. Anyway, this problem by using length of the tangent formula. First in the formula. Length of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 from the point x1 comma y1 is pt equal to x1 square y1 square 2gx1 2fy. This is the formula. Now at what is the first point? P of 0 comma 1. What I told you? In this point, pt square without square root, replace x by 0, y by b in the given circle. That's important. The circle, given circle, 0 square plus 1 square minus 4 into 0 plus 4 into 1 minus 8. 0 plus 1 minus 0 plus 4 minus 8. Adding 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 8 minus 3 is less than 0. Therefore, the point, which point? B lies inside the circle. Inside the circle is the answer. Now next point. At what is the point? Q of 5 comma 9 is the point. Now QT square equal to, again the same point, circle formula. 5 square plus 9 square, 4 into 5 plus 4 into 9 minus 8. 25 plus 81 minus 20, 36 minus 8. First adding all the positive value. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 12, remaining 1, 4, 12, 14. Adding both minus 28. Equal to what? 4, 3, 1. 114. Alright? This is positive. That means what? Positive value means the given circle, the point lies outside the circle. Am I right? Greater than 0 means the point Q lies outside the circle. Third point at B. Or what is the point? Minus 2 comma 3. Now to find RT square, minus 2 square, 3 square, minus 4 into minus 2, plus 4 into 3, minus 8. Substitute the point in the given circle. That's important. In the question, what circle is given? Substitute that. 4 plus 9 plus 8 plus 12 minus 8. Minus 8 will cancel. What is the answer? 13, 25. This is also fast, you know. Therefore, again the point Q lies outside the circle. Okay? What is the last point? S. At S of 2 comma 2. SP square equal to 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2 minus 8. 4 plus 4 minus 8 plus 8 minus 8. Am I right? This will be cancelled. Again, 4 plus 8 minus 8, that is 0. Therefore, exact 0 is coming in. The point S lies on the circle. That's all. If 4 points are given, in the exercise problem only 3 points are given. In the silver question, important 5 mark question, because 4 points are given. Consider 1 by 1, that's important. The same only rule, but 1 by 1. That's all.